Prince Harry's frustration boiled over in a dramatic courtroom exit as he received the devastating news that he had lost his court case against the Home Office regarding his security arrangements in the UK. The Duke of Sussex, known for his charitable endeavours and advocacy, was seen furiously walking out of the courtroom, his emotions in full display. In a moment of intense confrontation, he collided with a cameraman, highlighting the strain and tension that has come to define his relationship with the media and the royal family. The court case, which has been a focal point of contention for Prince Harry, centered on the Home Office's decision to reduce his personal security detail during visits to the UK. The Duke of Sussex had argued that this decision was not only unjust but also posed a significant risk to his safety and that of his family. His legal team presented a robust case, emphasizing the importance of adequate security measures for high-profile individuals like Prince Harry, who continue to attract significant public interest and potential threats. Despite the comprehensive arguments presented by his lawyers, the court ultimately ruled in favor of the Home Office, affirming their decision to adjust Prince Harry's security arrangements. The ruling was met with a mixture of disappointment and frustration from the Duke of Sussex, who had been hopeful of a different outcome. As Prince Harry exited the courtroom, his visible frustration was palpable. The collision with the cameraman was a stark illustration of the emotional turmoil he was experiencing. This incident underscores the intense media scrutiny that Prince Harry faces, a factor that has significantly influenced his decision to challenge the Home Office's stance on his security. The legal battle concerning Prince Harry's security arrangements during visits to the UK has reached a critical juncture. A recent Court of Appeal ruling has mandated that the majority of the appeal hearing, scheduled for April 8th and 9th, will be open to the public. This decision, delivered by Judges Sir Geoffrey Vose, Lord Justice Bean, and Lord Justice Eddies, reaffirms the principle of open justice and a commitment to transparency in legal proceedings. The court's decision allows for public and media observation of the arguments presented by both the Duke's legal team and the government. This openness fosters accountability and enables a more informed public discourse on the issues at hand. However, the judges also recognize the need for carefully controlled private sessions to address highly sensitive and confidential information pertaining to specific security details, threat assessments, and the safety protocols surrounding not only the Duke but also other prominent individuals whose security might be compromised by the disclosure of such information. The root of this legal challenge lies in a February 2020 decision by the Royal and VIP Executive Committee, RAVC, to modify the level of personal protection afforded to the Duke during his visits to the UK. This decision marked a significant departure from the comprehensive security provisions he received as a working member of the royal family. The Duke's legal representatives argue that this decision was not only irrational but also procedurally unfair. They allege that the RAVC failed to conduct a thorough and impartial risk assessment, neglecting to adequately consider the potential consequences of a security breach or attack against the Duke. The legal team's arguments emphasize the potential dangers inherent in an inadequate security assessment and the potential for severe consequences should such an assessment prove insufficient. The government's position underscores the inherent challenges in providing security for high-profile individuals while adhering to principles of fairness, proportionality, and efficient resource allocation. They emphasize that the RAVC's decision was based on a careful consideration of all relevant factors and was not arbitrary or capricious. The appeal therefore extends far beyond the individual circumstances of the Duke of Sussex. It raises fundamental questions about governmental responsibilities in protecting public figures, the delicate balance between individual rights and national security concerns, and the appropriate application of security protocols within a democratic framework. The upcoming hearing is anticipated to attract significant public and media attention. The case serves as a crucial test of the interplay between transparency and the need to protect sensitive information in matters of national security, demanding a careful balancing act between these competing interests. Beyond the immediate legal proceedings, a recent poll reveals a striking shift in public perception of Prince Harry. The data indicates a significant decline in his standing as a member of the royal family, with a substantial segment of the public now viewing him primarily as a celebrity rather than a key figure within the monarchy. The poll's findings underscore the evolving dynamics within the British monarchy and the changing relationship between the royal family and the British public, a relationship that is constantly being redefined by the actions and choices of its members. The ongoing legal battle, therefore, takes place against a backdrop of significant shifts in public opinion, adding another layer of complexity to an already intricate and multifaceted situation. The outcome of the appeal will undoubtedly have far-reaching consequences not only for the Duke of Sussex but also for the broader discussion surrounding the security of public figures and the balance between transparency and national security. In conclusion, Prince Harry's dramatic exit from the courtroom serves as a poignant reminder of the intense personal and public stakes involved in his legal battle with the Home Office. As the Duke of Sussex navigates this challenging period, the broader implications of the court's decision will resonate throughout the institution of the monarchy and beyond, touching on fundamental issues of justice, security, and the responsibilities of public figures in the modern era.